Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GetWala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important notification update informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on GetWala platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So if we talk about guys today's important update, then NTPC released their second list through the Gate 25 recruitment. So Gate 25 basis there is two recruitment. One recruitment is separately recently announced for the civil engineering OBC category student special recruitment drive, and there are like second recruitment that is like the main recruitment of NTPC that they announce in the like a month of around February something, and the first list is already out. Now the second list is also available. So second list cutoff, what is the cutoff if you observe? So for IT, All India rank 241 got a call. AWS 280 rank students got a call. Last candidates 336 rank get OBC, SC 1325 rank, ST 3050 rank. Electrical 716, EWS 1132, OBC 982 rank, SC 1871 rank, ST 3482 rank. Electronics 489 rank, EWS 1218 rank, OBC 839 rank, SC 2062 and ST 2362 is the rank. Instrumentation, definitely lower rank side selection is there, 1322, EWS 1678, OBC 2363 and SC 3151 and ST 2167. Mechanical 816 for general. EWS seat may be already filled, that's why there is no cutoff is there. Already in the previous round maybe the seat filled. OBC 513, SC 1881 or ST 2785 is the cutoff. So if you talk about guys this particular domain, then you can check the official cutoff for second list is there. There are any chances for third list? Definitely chances are there. Maybe if the number of students who shortlisted in this particular link, particular list, then they are, if they are not joining, then definitely third list chances are also there. So electronics, all the roll number are mentioned here. Similarly for instrumentation, mechanical, and electrical and CSIT, all the students who shortlisted, their roll number is available there. So you can check it if your roll number is in this particular list. Congratulations to you, you are shortlisted. Now you need to go for document verifications, and on that particular document verifications you need to go with your gate scorecard and all the important details and all, and then you definitely you will uh, get offer letters and all in your mail ID too. Okay, if you talk about the special recruitment drive for civil, then Gate 25 cutoff on the special recruitment drive for the OBC, rank 320 students, last candidates who get call. So this is the official cutoffs. So rest you can join Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel for your every career related updates and all. Thank you so much. We'll meet in another session. Till then, goodbye. Take care.